While it might not be something you think about when you're cooking, hygiene is a lot more than washing your hands. The thought and care that goes into keeping food and beverage products safe is quite astounding. Food safety is a vast and ever-evolving field, and it takes a lot of effort to stay abreast of the research, legislation, and certifications associated with it. That's why it is, and has always been, a core focus for Vikan, and that focus has enabled us to set new standards for hygiene and innovation. As a global hygiene specialist, it is my job to strengthen food safety and hygiene through knowledge, collaboration, and innovation. To meet this challenge, my colleagues and I work closely with end users, engage with food safety organisations and universities, and conduct research. These efforts provide us with hands-on experience, insights, and an expert understanding of the challenges faced by our industry. All of this we actively share with our distributors and end users. We know that complying with multiple standards and regulations is a complex job. We understand that the work lives of hygiene and quality personnel can be challenging. We understand that no one has all of the answers, and our goal is to help find solutions. And we believe that our pursuit of hygiene expertise can provide many of these solutions. It helps our end users, allowing them to address their challenges, ideas, and concerns confidentially with somebody they trust, who speaks their language and is familiar with the space in which they operate. And with our wide range of associated experts, we can always find someone who can help. It also makes us invaluable to our distribution partners, allowing them to offer services and expertise in support of their own capabilities. And finally, it helps us gain insight into the challenges faced by the food industry, rather than just hearing about it at events or reading about it. Our hygiene team supports the food industry every day, and we regularly share our expertise through webinars and presentations, and conduct training and troubleshooting site surveys. These real-world, practical insights are a key driver for innovation, as our history shows. We developed the concept of colour coding for food safety, now an industry-wide standard. We were the first to apply hygienic design principles to our tools, including the award-winning UST brushware range, making them from food contact compliant materials and easier to clean. We operate a unique end-user-driven approach to new and improved product development, listening to the needs of our customers and balancing this with the regulatory and standard requirements to produce safe, durable, effective products that are fit for purpose. We are proud of our track record over the past 125 years. We are proud of being a trusted, valued partner that makes a real difference in our customers' businesses and so many other lives. And we will continue to do so in the future.